This is a tutorial for the Wind Beneath My Wings, this time as a piano accompanist. So in this instance, you don't need to play the melody because somebody else is singing it. Your right hand plays the chord. So I'll show you the chords first. First chord is a B flat chord, and I'll sing along with it. Must have been cold, that's a B flat chord, which is F, B flat, and D. Here in my shadow, that's an E flat chord. G, B flat, and E flat. Back to B flat, F, B flat, D. To never have light upon your face, or sunlight on your face. E flat, G, E flat, G, B flat, E flat. A quick B flat there, F, B flat, and D. The C minor, G, C, E flat. You were content to let me shine. That's an F sus chord. F, B flat, C, which resolves to regular F chord, which is F, A, C on the next measure. C minor again, G, C, E flat. You always walked a step behind. F sus to F again, then another B flat. So I was the one, E flat with all B flat, the glory, E flat, B flat, F, B flat, and D, while you were the one with all E flat, all is B flat, the strength is E flat, G minor, G, B flat, D, C minor, G, C, E flat, a beautiful face, B flat, without a name, F sus, which goes to F for so long, C minor, a beautiful smile is B flat, to hide is C minor, pain is F sus, which goes to F, then a D, A, D, F sharp, G minor, B flat, D, and G. Did you ever know that's a F, A, C, F? Know that yours E flat, my hero is a B flat. Another F, G minor, B flat, D, G. And everything I as F would like is E flat to be is a B flat. Then a F, D, G minor, B flat, D, G. I can fly high, F, E flat, than an eagle, it's a B flat, F, G minor, C minor, cause you are the wind, F sus, F beneath my wings. My ending, I use it G minor there. C minor, you are the wind, and E flat, which goes to B flat. Back and forth, E flat and B flat ones. So those are the chords for the right hand. The left hand uses mostly the root note of the chord, the note the chord's named for. Down low is a bass note, or there are a couple of slight variations on that. You start on a B flat chord, and you're going to play a B flat here for your root note. It must have been cold there in my shadow. That's an E flat, so I do an E flat down low, B flat again. Never have moon, sunlight on your face. Another E flat. Now right there, I'm going to do something different because I'm walking down from this E flat. So I'm walking E flat, B flat with a D in the bass, C minor. So D flat, or B flat has the D in the bass, and it's C minor. You were the content to let me shine. There's an F. C minor, you always walked a step behind. B flat, so I was the one with all the glory. Pretty much that's the only there's only, the rest of it's pretty much root note down low as the bass note. So work on it hands alone. And when you put it all together, this is what it sounds like. It must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. That's your way. You always walk a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name, for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything